Right. This is your lesson. මෙන්න ඔයාගේ පාඩම තියෙනවා. බලන්න. Your lesson is this. Listen and read. Listen and read. What can you see in these pictures? What can you see in this screen? මේ screen එකේ මොනවද පුතාලට පේන්නේ?
වාහන.
Ah?
මගේ පොතක.
Yes. Oh. Yes, vehicles. නේද? We say vehicles. වාහන නේද? Right. That is oh. අපි බලමු. What is this? What can you see in this picture? Plane.
Plane.
This one? Plane.
Bicycle.
Second one is bicycle. Third one is ship. Oh. Please off the microphones. Microphone off කරන්න ගෙදර වල ගොඩක් ශබ්ද ඇහෙනවා. Right. Okay. Then my dear children, third next one. Then now look at these pictures. Plane, bicycle, ship. Right. Now I am going to clean them. Yes, here. Next one. What is this picture? What is this picture? Yes, this picture is Jeep. Jeep neither. Oh, that is Jeep. Here is this one. Yes, train. Train means coach here. Yes, you know what is that. ඔයාලා දන්නවා මොකක්ද ඒ තියෙන්නේ කියලා. We can say train. This one is Jeep. Here lorry. That is lorry. Right? Jeep, train, lorry. Next one. Yes. What can you see? This one is bus. The next one is jet. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගේ ඇතුලේ සමහරලාට jet එකෙන් යනවනේ නේද? This one is on a jet එක තියෙනවා. Right? The next one van. Right? Van. Okay, I'm going to clean them. Then my dear children, last pictures. Yes, this one is car. Yes, next one is boat. Last one is three-wheeler. Right? Here are the vehicles. Right? ඔන්න අපි වාහන ගැන කතා කරා. Okay? මුලට යමු ඉක්මනට කියමු. Plane, bicycle, ship, jeep, train, lorry, bus, jet, van, car, boat. Last one is three-wheeler. Right, okay. Then my dear children,
Plane. Bicycle.
jeep, train, Three-wheeler.